Hey everyone, welcome to James Family Farm. My name is Dallas and today I'd like to introduce you to a very special new addition. We're first generation farmers and we feel absolutely privileged to care for our beautiful fold of Scottish Highland cattle. Just last week, we had a new babe arrive and it wasn't without its complications. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that, but first, meet Bindi Bug Beanie Boo. I call her Bug. Her arrival, and consequently her first week of life, was not without its difficulties and challenges. And I want to share her birth story with you now. Okay, so Brinley is calving. It looks like it's actually the hind legs, which is not good. And I'm soaked. However, I'm gonna see if I can turn this around and show you guys what's happening because it's pretty cool. So here is our sweet girl Brinley, and we knew she was expecting. And when I came down to the forest this particular morning and found her off on her own, I figured that she was calving, and that's exactly what was happening. So unfortunately, we realized that this calf was not coming out properly. Typically, a calf will be born front legs first, and this one was presenting breech, which meant it was its hind legs coming out first. And this was a problem. Okay, so I'm gonna try and help her. Sorry, it's freezing. It's like pouring rain here. But I'll post video and pics as soon as something happens. Fingers crossed, everyone. Oh gosh. Okay, thanks. So I was clearly starting to panic a little bit because I have had no experience delivering a calf. But I knew we needed to get involved and help, and that's exactly what I did. So thankfully my daughter was down here and she was able to film and capture this. But you'll see I'm approaching Brinley now and just letting her know I'm there and I'm there to help. And I was talking to her this whole time just to keep her calm. But I just had to get in there and start pulling because I knew at this point it was a matter of life and death for this baby. What you won't hear on the audio, due to the power of muting, is me screaming with excitement that this baby was alive. I really was expecting to pull out a calf without vitals. You just saw me wipe the slime off my hands onto a tree. It was pretty messy, but incredible nonetheless. And you can just watch now as Brinley cleans this baby up and gets her going. Okay, so just had a shower, but that was amazing. Thank you for all your messages. I will read them right now. I'm going back down to check on this baby. I'm bringing Doug down to meet the new baby.
Yes,
So
and I heard
excited.
you delivered a calf today.
I did.
That's crazy!
So if you'd like to follow along on her journey and her other furry friends here on the farm, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. We're gonna try and post every few weeks so you can keep track of everything that's going on here. It would mean the world to us. See you soon.